Welcome back. Today we're talking phone mounts on USB chargers on the old ST Lowrider. I'm looking to put a quad lock system on. I don't really want to take it off the risers or the bars. I haven't seen anything mounted here yet on these STs, so I'm gonna mount it off the fairing bracketry. Either going to make a bracket coming up here and mount it further up, or use a couple of quad lock variations and mount it off there, and try and mount a USB charger at the same time when we go the front end off. So further ado, let's get this fairing off and crack on with it. I've got a couple of videos out as well on the Custom Dynamics LED halo lights I put on from Custom Dynamics. But if you want to watch them somewhere, you can find them. But further ado, let's get this fairing off and let's get into it. Okay, same old. Obviously protection. You want some protection on your fender there, just in case you drop anything on it. Likewise on the tank, sort of area you're going to be working on. These are not too bad to get off. Torque bolts on the top, run there. Same on the other side. Screen, torque bolts. Take the screen off first. Torque bolts on the back. 3 either side. Obviously, if you've got the deflectors on, you take them off. Then all lifts forward, down, unclip the headlight, put it safe. So let's whip it off. So yeah, 6 torque screws, and that's the screen off. T27. So take them off, set them aside, then take the ones off either side. Then there's 3 either side. That's 1, 2, 3, and the wind deflector. So whip them off now. Okay, that's all the torque screws out across the screen, 3 either side, and the wind deflectors. Basically, just pull it out. We need 2 hands for this, so you pull it out and down, disconnect the headlight. It's only a multi-plug on the headlight, and it's off. So there's a headlight plug. Just unclip that 1 hand. If you drop it down from the front, then disconnect the headlight, then it'll all pull out towards you then. There we go. That's just like with the outer part of the fairing off on the screen. So plenty of room to get all the wiring out. Let me see what where we're going to go with the mount. What are we going to wire it into? Okay, so what I've decided to go with is a quad lock system, obviously. We've gone for a vibration damper. We've gone for a wireless charging head. Gone for the extended ball adapter, flat base, and a 10mm spacer. Now I'm going to mount this there. So that adapter fits perfect there. Doesn't look out of place, either looks quite good. Then in front of that, probably mount up by the side of it, probably mount USB charger. But yeah, that's where I'm going to put it. Shall we get on with that? So let's get this mount squared up, marked out, drilled out, and fixed in place. Okay, so we got it in position. Put some tape down so you can mark it. So center. So we drill that out now. and we'll secure it down with some M6 countersunk stainless bolts and lock nuts and washers. Now we got all the fairing off, obviously we can see into the bracket there, so we can go right underneath there. Okay, I've mounted that quad lock bracket, 2 M6 countersunk stainless, and underneath bolted in lock nuts, washers. Okay, we mounted that on. It's nice and solid, secure. Obviously it's obviously the ball one, so you can put it where you want, but yeah, happy with that. That's nice and secure. So when the phone is on there, it should be just be interesting to see what's going to happen with this vent we're riding. If it just flows the air or something, we'll see that. But, yeah, there we go. Just gotta find somewhere now to mount the USB charger. Okay, there's a USB port fitted. So that's all powered up now. It's a dual one as well, so if I need to run anything else off it, I can. It's a waterproof one with a cap on, so I can just disconnect it. I've got the Rockford Fosgate music system on here, so I was lucky enough to pick a switched live up off the harness that's already been installed for the amp. Obviously it's fused, because we run a fuse as well. So yeah, she's all in, happy with that. If we didn't have that switch live there, I'd have to run it switch live to up to the harness somewhere else, but you'll always get a switch live. I believe there's a switch live for the heated grips as well in one of the ports on the multi-plug there. But yeah, that's good enough for me. It all works, it's all fine. So what we'll do now is put it all back together. So let's get the fairing back on. Okay, it is, it's all back together. Looks pretty good there. Proof's in the pudding now when we take it for a ride. Yeah, should be okay. So you have it. Quad lock on the ST lowrider. That's using the ball socket, 10mm spacer, flat mount socket, and a charging head. Thanks for watching.